Hey guys, Chris again over here at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Evans Road. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all of our YouTube videos you can check out on how to replace certain things and fix certain things in your vacuum. Today we are talking to you guys about Titan. Titan makes a lot of different products. We went over a video a few days ago on one of the Titan upright vacuums. Today we're going to be talking about the Titan backpack vacuum. Now a lot of the backpack vacuums we sell is for a lot of our commercial companies. We do sell these for residential use as well too. So we have them in a few different models. Basically the model that you see here is a complete full vacuum for both carpet and hardwood floors. This just come in. This is the carpet head attachment right here with a height adjustment. So if you have low pile or high pile carpet, this power head will do all different types. This is also has an LED light in it, and it has a sensor in it that if something gets sucked up in there, it'll completely turn the roller off. You have an on and off button so you can turn your roller on and off for both carpet and hardwood floors. This also comes in straight suction, where if you have nothing but hardwood floors in your home, this will work on all hardwood floors. You don't have to buy it with the kit for the carpet attachment. These have a nice long 50-foot commercial cord on them with a power switch, a protective power switch. These have Hepa bags with an outer bag to help seal and trap and lock the dirt in. They're very easy to replace. You just pop these tabs off, pull it out, take the old bag off, put the new bag in, and lock it all back in. It self-seals into the container. These are super lightweight, very affordable. They beat out a lot of the other competitors like Pro Team, Clean-Max, all the other big guys out there. This is a very good, reasonably priced machine. To see a demo, or if you have questions, call us. Check us out on our website at www.acevacuums. Like I said, Titan is made by Ricard, Taconi, all those guys. Very good motor, very good suction, very good vacuum. If you're in the market for your business for a cleaning backpack vacuum, or if you just want to get one for your home to make your vacuuming a lot more easier, stop by our store or check us out online. Thank you guys and have a great day.